what's actually going on out there right now. We have just mainly cloud coverage moving through. A warm front will eventually lift itself throughout the night. In fact, you can even see the showers already starting to make their way north down near Eureka up into Del Norte County as well. Everything that has fallen has been light and isolated, and that's going to be the same case for overnight tonight. Very, very light showers, if anything. Here's our weather almanac for today. Those temperatures did come down just a little bit, but we're still above average if you're west of the Cascades. If you're east, though, completely different story. Actually below average. 34 degrees being the high in Klamath Falls, normally sitting at around 40. And that is because of that deep cold air mass that moved into our region just yesterday, allowing for these temperatures to drop. You can even see the difference now. 49 in Medford, 34 in Klamath Falls. Will definitely break freezing in the next few hours, if anything, and then continue to get colder throughout the overnight hours. So for the Rogue Valley tomorrow, just expect light and isolated precipitation right ahead of that cold front, but it should come to an end by the early afternoon, seeing mostly cloudy skies after that. That'll be the case for all locations. Early morning rain and snow, also freezing rain for the Klamath Basin, and that is whenever we have a thin layer of freezing air right at the surface, and then we also have warmer air above that. That rain does not have enough time to refreeze by the time it hits the surface, but when it does, that's when it freezes, and it can become very dangerous for roadways as that happens. So you can see over the next 48 hours with the storm cast, that front lifting up to the north, we're getting the bulk of the precipitation up to the north near Coos Bay, and then also into Douglas County as well, and that will continue throughout the day. Winds shift out of the west, just keeping that moisture coming in from the west, but then we clear out by Tuesday, and that'll be the next buffer before we get the next system moving in. The next 48-hour rainfall total, everything is going to be very light, just a few hundredths of an inch, if anything. The only exception, though, being North Bend and Roseburg getting a little bit more rain because of all of that westerly progression and the moisture coming out of the Pacific during that time period in the late afternoon tomorrow. Now for the South Coast, expect the fog in some areas, showers in others throughout the day. It'll start off in the south and then progressively move itself to the north. Areas north of Bandon will be getting heavier rain than anything. Now for Northern California, just isolated rain out there. We got the snow level at about 6,000 feet and rising. All snow levels rising throughout the day. So if we start out with freezing rain and snow in the Klamath Basin, by the afternoon, it's going to turn to rain as that warmer air scoots in from the south. Mountain locations, rain and snow with light precipitation. And for the Rogue Valley, patchy fog to start the day out in some areas, isolated showers in others. Next 7 days at the South Coast, we get that buffer. That's Tuesday. We have the rain that'll move in overnight, but all during the day, just cloudy skies expected. And we have the showers that will move in right after that. That's the next low pressure system that will bring in mainly just rain. Not dropping those snow levels a whole lot. 6,500 feet for the Klamath Basin and rising throughout Wednesday. This is another system coming from the south, so we'll probably bring a warm front, but also raise those snow levels. Not expecting the next bit of snow until we get to Sunday. Here's your Rogue Valley 7-day forecast. Isolated showers for tomorrow. We got the showers moving in Tuesday night into Wednesday, and that's going to be dropping quite a bit of rain throughout the days on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which of course is always good news. Now that we're sitting in this drought, we need all the rain that we can get. Luckily, it's going to just continue to come.
On the dark side, though, and I don't mean to be dark today. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm really dreading the first drive through those mountain passes where we start to get a lot of that snow.
Yeah. We've already had, in fact, just a couple days ago, we had the snow that was falling on Highway 140, also Dead Indian Memorial Road. A lot of snow that was falling. We had to get that cleared out before people could even hit the roads at that point.
True, and on the light side, because I have to balance it out.
Of course.
It's very beautiful.
It is a very beautiful thing. If you have pictures, go ahead and send them in. We'd love to show them.
All right, thanks very much, Seth.
Got it.